Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Now I am going to teach a epic cyclonic method. Epic cyclonic method. So the drawing will be like this. Then how to draw now to take a circle. I'll explain you. The question has been given the circle of a 50 mm diameter roll of a circumference. The another circle is 175 mm and outside trace of a locus point of a circumference lower rolling circle is one complete revolution. The name of the curve, the drawn tangent normally curve at 125 mm from the center of a directing the circle. So the question has been given like this. Then how to draw and take with a procedurally epicycloid method. So the question is like this. So the given data is the rolling circle diameter. The rolling circle of a diameter is D is 50 mm. The given. So the directing circle of a diameter is the circle diameter is D is equal to 175 mm. So if you divide, you will get 87.5 mm. So the formula is theta 360 degree into big D minus small d. So 360 degree into 50 divided by 175. So you will get a angle as 102.8 degree. Then how to draw a circle and how to draw with neatly procedure. So I will take one measurement like this. This is the point P. I'll tell you how to draw. Take a line like this. After that, keep a protractor like this. Take 102 degree. So 102 degree if you take, then join a line like 87.5. 87.5. So again I will take here 87 point as the middle. Then I'll take 25 mm radius. So if I take a radius 25 from here, 87.5, I'll take in here 87.5 and here 87.5, here 108 degree. Then here I'll take 25 mm so that I can cut one radius like this. Okay friends, after that join a inclined line like this. Then you should make 8 parts. So keep on going like this. So you will get the 8 parts like this. This is the point P. I'll go with anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is the 8th point. It will be like that only. After that, this has take as a O. So I'll take from O to P, make one circle. It will join like this. Then O to 7 make one arc like this, then O to 6, make one arc like this, then O to P, make one more arc like this, then O to 5, make one more arc like this, then O to 4, make one more arc like this. So the drawing will come like this, and all the circles. Then we have to divide it into 8 equal parts. This is 102.8 degree. Then using a compass, assume like this, take one arc, after taking here, cut one arc here, cut one arc using a protractor, or see, join this line like this, then half of the portion. Again take from here half, cut one arc, take here, cut one more arc, take here and take here, cut one more arc, then it will be divided. So this will be joined here and this will be joined here. Again take here, cut one arc, 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 keep on going, take one arc, cut here and take one arc, so that the arc will be here like this. So after that, using the protractor, draw like this, draw like this, and draw like this. So the half will come like this. So you will get here as a CO, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. So drawing will be like this. Take a 25 centimeter and arc, keep your C1, see the circle which is going like this. In a C1 keep your cut one arc, keep in the C2 cut the second arc, see, keep in the C3 cut an arc, keep in the C4, it will come in a slantly, see it is touching here. Sure, I'm showing like this, the point in the blue point. After that, see like this only, keep in the C4 and draw in this line, taking 25 centimeter and keep here, cut one arc like this, keep in the C6, cut one arc here, keep in the C7, cut one arc here, so that the arc will become like this. Taking a purple, I'll show you, see this is the epic, what I am joining, it is called as an epic cylinder. So the drawing will come like this. This is called as an epicycloid. After that, take 125 mm. In the question it is given, see, one point is 125 mm. Take 125 mm, keep in the hook, make one circle here. See, it is cutting here, so it is cutting here, and join this line. See, 125 mm, which is joined here. After that, keep 25 mm. See where the 125 mm has been cutted, so that I'll take here, cut one arc like this. So from S you will get this line as a normal, and normally this is the tangent. This is the tangent. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments, share comment. If you like this video, share to your friends. Thank you for watching my channel.